All right, let's take a look at the LED light settings, right? So you have a remote here, all right? On the remote is a plus. So when you twist it one way, you go the other way, you dim it down, go back up, and look at that, the rotations. So here it tells you the instructions by pressing it and rotating it. So you press it and rotate it, it changes the actual lumens, all right? If you're pressing it, you have to press it. So the remote tells you here, but there's a plus. If you ever lose the remote control, it does say 2 AAA batteries, but if you ever lose it, you don't need it because the actual system has a button that you can press, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. All right, first of all, we're gonna talk about the flexibility of this, all right? You can lock them in place. Everything rotates, if you guys can see that, to your liking. So this light is one of the best lights I use. I actually use it for when I'm doing content creating because it's very bright. Now, you can move it, rotate it around because it does have a grip to the actual desk from here. And then you could actually lie it down or move it towards you in any direction. Flexible, very flexible. It has one area of input where you actually power in the power. Here you have the power button. You push it once, it lights up. To turn it off, you're gonna have to hold it down, all right? And it kind of dims out. But when you turn it on, you got your minus and plus. So we're gonna go plus, brighter, and then we go actually light it up, lower. This is the original mode I had, but if you hit power, one, it changes colors to different colors. Look at this brightness. Really good. It lights up the whole entire room here. So if you guys are looking for a light for your desk or over the actual monitors, this is perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.